The Medford Gigantes is back. Medford's largest folder, the full 5-inch blade, is coming back for a bespoke run to EDC Specialties. We've got all the specs for you and how to order your own custom Gigantes. You don't want to miss this. There's only going to be a few made. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
All right, guys and gals, let's go over the Medford Gigantes. All right, this is a bespoke run, very limited number. I have some specs that I want to go over with you and go over the options. So the base price of this knife for the new configuration is going to be $900. That is just tumbled all the way through. It will be updated. It will have the updated hardware and it will have the lock bar stop on it. The configuration options for it, there's 2 blade steels. You're gonna have S45 or 3V blade options, Vulcan option, and all of the sculptings will be available. They're estimated to ship third quarter of next year. Now, let's go over the actual knife and the specs of it. This knife weighs 11 ounces. Overall length from end to end is 11 inches, right? So to give you a size comparison, most of you are familiar with the PreOrder, right? Let's go ahead and lay that right there and show you just how different that is, right? Boom. So you got another 2.5 inches there. It's a large knife, 5-inch blade, 6-inch handle, large flipper. It's the larger size of the Proxima, full tie scales. So there's a lot of options available with this knife. I mean, you got a lot of real estate to work with here. A lot of sculptings. So the way this is working is go on the website, secure your spot. We have the deposit on there, right? That secures your knife. If you don't secure your knife in the configuration that you want, it's essentially going to be picked through what's left over. They're going to allocate the blade steels after the custom ones between the two. So if you want something specific, this is the knife to do it on. I mean, look at this thing. It's a showstopper.
All right, guys, now that you've had a chance to look at the amazing Gigantes, wow, you do have an opportunity to go on our website right now, edcspecialties.com. You'll find the pre-orders under the Medford Pro Shop and under featured items. You go on there, you put a $700 deposit down. Now that pays for most of your knife if you're getting a plain Jane version of it, because they start at around $900. But if you want any sculpting or if you want anything special, we can do that for you as well. We're going to be calling all of our customers who place an order for the deposit, and we'll go through our worksheet so you can choose your blade steel and all of the other configuration options that are available on your knife. And we'll be doing that very shortly here. So make sure you get your deposit in. There is some urgency to that because they're going to be taking the orders pretty soon, unless you just want to pick through what's at the end. We're going to be choosing some configurations. We'll let Amy choose some as well. So if you want your own, get in there right now, get a deposit down. You're not going to want to miss this.